Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can refill your scouts in Assassin's Creed Shadows. Now scouts are actually very important because sometimes you're doing, for example, a find someone or find something mission and you don't know what the exact location of that something or of that person is, and you usually need to use scouts in order to pinpoint where exactly that person or that object is. Okay, and after you do that, your scouts are gonna disappear basically, and you need to refill them, okay, or replenish them. Okay, so how are we gonna do this is by actually going into our Kakurega or our hideout. It doesn't really matter. We're actually gonna go to our Kakurega just to show you that you can also do it there. Let's fast travel to this one here, for example. Let's wait a few seconds until it loads. By the way, this is probably one of the most useful things that you can actually do. Okay, because like I said before, this feature is essential. Like you really need scouts sometimes in order to find people. Okay, if you don't want to be wandering around the map for hours. Okay, so you basically have to come to this Kakurega, okay, or to any other one, or to your hideout, and you have to locate these bags here, these color bags here, and yes, click on or press on E to refill your scouts. Okay, now it says that my scouts are full, okay, because it's true, I didn't use any of them. And how you can see how many scouts you have is by going to your map, by pressing M on your keyboard, and here you can see how many you have. Okay, in my case I have 4 of them. Okay, and if after I use them I'm gonna get 3, 2, 1, 0, and I'm gonna be able to refill them here. Okay, you're also gonna need scouts, for example, to smuggle certain stockpiles. Okay, when you're visiting castles and temples and so on. Okay, that's it guys, thank you so much.